Oh my God, this brain freeze hurts more than the root canal I had this week. When I think of summer, one of the first things I think of is lemonade.
Country time reminds me of a hot day in 22 when I was stranded in the middle of nowhere.
And when I think of lemonade, I think of Dell's frozen lemonade. Like the clam cake, it's an institution here in Rhode Island. It flows through our ever-hardening veins. About 20% of Rhode Islanders have Italian heritage, making it the most Italian state in the entire country. And Italian Americans have had a major influence on food in Rhode Island, including with the creation of Dell's lemonade. The DeLucia family, they began developing their frozen lemonade back in Naples in the 1840s. And after emigrating from Italy, the DeLucia family opened their first lemonade stand here in Cranston, Rhode Island in 1948. Drinking at Dell's involves swishing and swirling. Swish and swirl, that is the secret. And beware of the brain freeze. If you go too hard on your Dells, you will pay a heavy price. And you never, ever use a straw with your Dells. Native Rhode Islanders hold a tremendous amount of scorn for anybody that uses a straw with the Dell's frozen lemonade. Dell's is delicious, and it comes in 7 flavors, but with the possible exception of watermelon, I'd stick with the lemon. New England summers are very short, and the DeLucia family, they're doing something extraordinary. I'm already thinking about my next Rhode Island video, and I'm thinking I'll do it on the official state drink, which is coffee milk. How about that?